Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In today's video clip, I will show you and also tell you how you can back up business messages in WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Friends, please put your likes, be sure to write comments under the video and subscribe to this channel. And let's get down to our topic. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And then, friends, go to settings at the bottom. Here, open chats. And here you will be able to find the option Backup Chats. Tap on it. And here you'll find Auto Backup. Click on it. And you can first of all adjust and choose how often you want to back up your chats in WhatsApp, which is every day, every week, every month, or you can turn it off. In our case, you need to set your messages to be backed up either daily or weekly like I have. After you do that, go back. Activate the function under Auto Backup. And you'll need to enable it on the video. By doing this, you will also have videos backed up despite their size. But if you need to back up your chats urgently, and you can't wait for a week or a day or whatever period of time to pass, then friends, you need to go to this function called Backup Now. Click on it, and you will start the process of backing up all your chats. Friends, this is how you will be able to back up your business messages in WhatsApp app on your iPhone. I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Friends, please put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.